Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. This is what the box looks like as per usual. This one retails for $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 deluxe size to full size products, sometimes sample size, but rarely. And it comes in a box every month that looks like this. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right in. Looks like this on the inside. I don't see a card. Okay, so I'm a little annoyed already. That's interesting. So this guy right here is by Glam Glow, and we actually had a choice product in our box this month, and this was one of the choices, and I did not choose this. I chose the something by Hourglass. What was it? Hourglass highlighting stick is what I chose, and I got this. I'm not gonna use this because it's not cruelty free, and I'm upset, actually, kind of. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. So it's a recovery mask. I wonder if there's a seal on it or not. No, there's no seal. Looks like this, looks like yogurt. Smells really good, but I'm not gonna use it because it's not cruelty free, so that's cool. I'm annoyed. There's no card in here for me to say the prices, but the next thing I see in here is by, looks like Maya in the reflection, but it's AYMA, I don't know. I Am Beauty Care, Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum, Makeup Remover Wipes, even removes even waterproof makeup. So mascara. I can't talk or read. So that's cool. No parabens, cruelty free, no artificial dyes, no phthalates. So that's awesome. I mean, yeah, I'm down for some makeup remover wipes. I always need those for like swatches and stuff, so that's cool, I guess. Next thing in here is by Daily Concepts. This is a shampoo bar, plant-based vegan, individuals who think in the shower. First of all, I love the color of this box. Shampoo bar. What even is a shampoo bar? Oh, it's legit just a bar. Oh no. That smells like a Christmas tree, or like not petroleum, but something like that. Some kind of something. I don't remember what it's called, but it smells like a Christmas tree, and I am not about that. I might put this in like my future giveaway for you guys, because maybe one of you will enjoy that smell, but I do not. So hopefully whoever wins that likes it. I think I originally was gonna do my giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, but it's taking a really long time, so I think I'm gonna do it at 200 because we're getting closer to that. So stay tuned for that. The next thing is by Pretty Vulgar. This is an eyeshadow primer. Okay. That's cool. I don't really use eyeshadow primers. I usually just kind of use concealer, but you know, like, I'm down for that. Smells kind of weird. It smells like the Urban Decay one. The, what's that called? I don't remember what it's called. Do I have it? I do. This one. The Primer Potion. It smells like that. So, I mean, that's cool, I guess. If you're into eyeshadow primer, that's bomb, but... Okay, last thing in here is by Studio Makeup. Looks like a palette of some sort. Easy to wear eyeshadow palette. Meh. Here are the colors. Do I want to swatch this? Do I not want to swatch this? I've never tried Studio Makeup before as far as their eyeshadows go, so like I kind of want to try it just to try the brand, but like, we'll swatch. This just looks kind of boring. Okay, let's do this shade here called Flaxen, and we'll do blush because out of all of them, that's the one that I'm drawn to the most, and Wicked. Just swatched right over top of that one. They swatched kind of nice. A little bit kickbacky. I shouldn't have swatched those. Okay, is that literally everything? This I think is the most disappointing Boxycharm I've ever gotten in my life. Maybe I'm being a little harsh, but I don't know. I'm not excited about like anything in here. The thing I'm most excited about is makeup wipes. So I don't know. Let's just go ahead and use one of these because I have swatches on my hand now. So let's see. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. It smells like orange shampoo. Oh yeah, they work nicely. All right, I'm excited about those. So quick recap. I don't know anything about prices because there's nothing in here, so I will leave everything linked down below. I do think everything's cruelty free except for the Glam Glow mask, which I shouldn't have gotten, so that's cool. I'm excited about the makeup wipes. I'm not gonna dog the eyeshadow palette too hard just because like I feel like most people would be happy with this. I'm just not really a neutral palette kind of girl. I want like one, maybe two neutral palettes in my collection and that's about it. This would be cool if it didn't stink. I hate the way this smells, so I don't want to put that in my hair. The eyeshadow primer is cool, I guess. Like, I'm probably not going to use it, and I'm really bummed about that. So, cool. I'm feeling really negative right now, but you know, this was not worth $25 to me, like at all. So, there's that. Let me know down below if you guys got like the same products, if you're excited about them. If you've tried that eyeshadow palette, let me know. Yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Hopefully my bigger Boxycharm will be better and redeem itself. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.